QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop is a comprehensive payroll management system designed for small to medium-sized businesses. To get started, first ensure you have QuickBooks installed on your computer and a valid payroll subscription. The initial step is to set up your payroll, which involves adding employee information, pay rates, and benefits. Navigate to the Employees menu and select Add Employee. Then fill in the required details such as name, address, and social security number. You will also need to set up pay rates, including hourly or salary rates, and any applicable deductions. Next, you will need to configure your payroll settings, including pay schedules, pay periods, and tax tables. This can be done by navigating to the Payroll menu and selecting Payroll Settings. Here, you can customize your settings to meet the specific needs of your business. Another key feature of QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop is the ability to process payroll. To do this, navigate to the Payroll menu and select Process Payroll. From here, you can select the pay period, choose the employees to include, and review the payroll details before finalizing the payroll. In addition to processing payroll, QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop also allows you to manage employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and other deductions. You can also generate reports, such as payroll summaries and employee details, to help you stay organized and compliant with tax regulations. To ensure accuracy and compliance, it is essential to regularly review and update your payroll settings and employee information. This includes verifying tax tables, updating employee benefits, and reviewing payroll reports to identify any discrepancies. Best practices for using QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop include setting up regular payroll schedules, using the automated tax calculation feature, and regularly backing up your payroll data. By following these best practices and using the features and tools provided by QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop, you can streamline your payroll management, reduce errors, and stay compliant with tax regulations. Overall, QuickBooks Payroll Review Desktop is a powerful tool for managing payroll, and by following this guide, you can get started with confidence and ensure your business is running smoothly and efficiently.